Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Yes, would you like to sing a song with me? Yes, are you enjoying sunlight in the day early morning? Yes, you should enjoy the sunlight early morning. Yes, so I am going to sing a song regarding this sunlight. Okay, so are you ready with me? You just see here and you copy, okay, and you do actions also, okay. Have you got the sunshine smile? Have you got the sunshine smile? Again, have you got the sunshine smile? Wherever you may go, what goodness you may show. Have you got the sunshine smile? Have you got the sunshine smile? Have you got the sunshine laugh? Have you got the sunshine laugh? Wherever you may go, what goodness you may show. Have you got the sunshine laugh? Have you got the sunshine? Ha 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 ha. Have you got the sunshine? Ha 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 ha. Wherever you may go, what goodness you may show. Have you got the sunshine? Ha 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 ha. Have you got the sunshine? S-M-I-L-E. Have you got the sunshine? S-M-I-L-E. Wherever you may go, what goodness you may show. Have you got the sunshine smile? Have you got the sunshine laugh? Have you got the sunshine L-A-U-G-H? Have you got the sunshine L-A-U-G-H? Wherever you may go, what goodness you may show. Have you got the sunshine L-A-U-G-H? Have you got the sunshine smile? Have you got the sunshine laugh? Have you got the sunshine? Ha 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 ha. Have you got the sunshine smile? Okay children, did you enjoy this song? Yes, I hope you all have enjoyed this song. So children, have you learned the numbers 1 to 100, the spellings of 1 to 30? So today we are going to learn before numbers. So my dear UKG children, you open your square line book, be ready with your pencil and just see here what I have written on the board. Yes, now I want to ask you something. When you are standing out for assembly or you are going to KG Park, how you are going? You are going in a line. Yes. Then you are standing and you can see someone's head. That child is standing before you. What is the meaning of before? If someone standing before us, we can see the head part of, or we can see the head that child is standing before us and somebody is standing behind you. It means he is after you and you are standing in between that two. Okay, so today we are going to learn the before numbers. So children, I have written here numbers and before that I put blanks. It means we have to write the number comes before this number. Okay, so see I have written 57. Okay, so we have to think which number comes before 57. Now you all know how to write number 1 to 100 and you are saying also, okay. So you must know which number comes before this. So first you put the date on the left side of the page and you put the heading before number and you just write and put the blank also. Then and then you will come to know that we are writing before number. Okay. So, you put one blank and after that you write number, this one 57. So, who will tell me which number come before 57? Yes, we have to think, otherwise I will give you one idea. You know the line of 51 to 60, no? That you have to say 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56 and 57. So, you will come to know that before 57 which number comes? Yes, we will write here the answer 56, 5, 6, 56. Okay children. So, here I have written 1, 8, 18. So, which number comes before that? You know very well, because you know 1 to 100. So, 11 to 20, it is very easy for you. So, you have to say in your own that 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So, you are supposed to write here 1, 7, 17. Okay. Then after that I have written here 40, 40. So, who will tell me which number comes before 40? Before 40. No, it is not 41. You have to say the 31 to 40's line. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. So, here it will come 3, 9, 39. Okay. Now, here it is 69. Now, you all are become very smart. So, you know before 69 what will come? Yes, who will tell me? Yes, 68. Yes, now we will write here 6, 8, 68. Now children, I have written here 9, 1, 91. So, what comes before 91? Which number comes? You have to think. You think and say. Yes, 90, 90. Children, you have to put blank and answer. Otherwise, you will not know what you have written. We are writing what we are writing before numbers. Okay. Now, who will tell me this answer, because here I have written number 2 and before that one blank is there. So, what will come after that? Who will tell me? Yes, all know the answer. It is number 1. Yes. Now, here 36. So, what comes before that? Very good. 3, 5, 35. Okay. So, here 35 and 36. Now, 2, 3, 23. So, what comes before number 23? Yes, it is very easy. 2 to 22. Okay. Now, 7, 5, 75. Now, which number comes before 75? If you don't know, then you have to start from 71. 71, 72, 73, then 74, 74 and after that what comes? 75, 75. So, you have written answer correctly? Yes. Now, here I have written 100, 100. So, which number comes before that? You don't know? You all know. I know that you all know. Yes, it is 99, 99. Okay. So, please children, you check that you have written all the numbers correctly. You are supposed to put the blank before that and you have to write the correct answer in this. See 56 and 57, 17 and 18, 39 and 40, 68 and 69, 90, 90 and 91, 1 and 2, 35 and 36, 22, 23, 74 and 75 and 99, 99 and 100, 100. So, Children, now you have to practice again this 1 to 100, the spellings of 1 to 30 and this before numbers also in your book at your home. Okay children? Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.